Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners, for another episode. Actually, this recipe made 8.5 pints, so I'm not sure where I got the 3 to 4 pints. And I would do at least 8 pints sanitized and have them ready. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Today we're going to make strawberry lemonade, and I'm getting my strawberries in here. These are some that I had last year, and I want to get them used up. So this is a great way to use them up before I get this year's strawberries in my freezer. So we need 6 cups. Prepare 6 cups of strawberries, washed and hulled, and I cut mine up. And I know that each of these bags is 4 cups, so a bag and a half will definitely do this for me. I used a stick blender to puree my strawberries and get them ready to cook. Love this pulse blender. Makes quick work of these strawberries into puree. And get all this rich strawberry goodness out of here and into the pan. Okay, I think that's all of it I can get off of there. Go ahead and get this up to temperature. You do not want to bring it to boiling. This is just still the foam going. Temperature you want to bring them up to before you add the lemon juice and sugar is about 190 degrees. And then you add your 4 cups of lemon juice. And then 4 cups of lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon juice or concentrate. You can use real lemon or concentrate, whatever you prefer. It doesn't have to be concentrate like some recipes. And then you can add up to 5 cups of sugar. This is the first time making this recipe. I'm going to add the whole 5 cups. You can decrease the amount of sugar to your taste. It is only in there for taste. So you don't have to add the sugar. You could substitute honey, or you could substitute artificial sweetener when you open it up. Either way. So remember, you are not trying to make jam here. You just want to heat this up to 190 and turn the heat off so that the sugar will dissolve. And then we're going to go ahead and do a 15-minute hot water bath. wipe the rims, put the lids on, and put the rings on finger tight. Hang on, John, I gotta grab a couple more. Just stay right there. Find 3 more lids. Hang on. Have even any used ones. Once the canner comes back to a full boil, go ahead and set your timer for 15 minutes. I try to use this time while the kettle is boiling, and I'm in the kitchen anyway to clean up any mess. And that way, when I'm done, I'm all ready to go. And I set out a towel and have my jar lifter ready so I can get the jars out of the canner as soon as they're done. This recipe made 8 pints and a little extra. Mix 1 part concentrate to 3 parts water, or each pint makes 2 quarts. And remember, you can mix this with ginger ale, 7-Up, soda water, carbonated water, or even some of your adult beverages of choice. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because more yummy goodness coming from the kitchen real soon.